morning, good afternoon, and good evening, CrewZ Nation. It's Zawawi and welcome back to a new episode. Today it's gonna be short and sweet. I'm just happy to say that the rest of my parts for my E92 M3 are in town. Thank you Beamer World for making it happen. The delivery time was unbelievable, and I'm beyond happy. They arrive, the products and everything arrives within the next hour, so I'm super stoked, and hopefully within the next few days, that's not few days, on Saturday I'll drop off the parts to Nick at the swap shop, and maybe give you a little glimpse of his magnificent, brutal E30. Maybe he'll take us on a ride around the area around his garage, and we can get some crazy footage of it. But anyways, I'm in my brother's Mustang. As you can see, I am gonna disengage everything, and we're gonna go for a quick drive. I'm just gonna meet up with one of my friends, and that's the game plan. It involves work, but I just wanted to interact with everyone, keep you updated with what's happening with CrewZ Nation, and I'm just super stoked that event finally within what, a couple of weeks, maximum 3 weeks, you'll get to see and experience the shenanigans of my M3. And to be honest with you, seatbelt safety first, although I'm getting yeah, got it, although I'm what's it called, the goddamn, I forgot. I have to say one thing. Okay, I remembered. Okay, so what I'm super stoked about is how the E92 M3 and the M3s that came after. Actually, I can't vouch for the M3s that came after it. All I know for a fact is that the M3, the E92 M3, when I tell it, like, it does exactly what I tell it to do. I mean, I've gone sideways, and I've been this far away from the sidewalk, and I've never felt so comfortable doing so. Mad props for BMW and the E92 M3, and I'm so stoked. I can't even express how happy I am that the E92 is gonna be back in business. I'm gonna pick up some coffee, like I said. I'm an addict. For myself and my colleague, friend, BFF, Ibrahim. We're gonna do some work, but in between I thought I would, keep you updated and probably do a couple of donuts in my brother's Mustang. And I'm very excited because this upcoming Saturday we're doing a comparison between the my brother's 2010 Mustang GT and his friend's it's either 2012 or 13 Mustang 5.0, which he has done a lot of work to. Cold air intake, headers, exhaust, and whatnot. I'm not quite sure, but he's super stoked and excited to review his car. And the best part of his Mustang, it's a manual transmission. His name is Nawaf, and his main purpose and love for everything automotive is drag racing. So he's had a plethora of insane automobiles. He's had a Hellcat, he's had a R35 GTR, what else? I believe he had a Challenger and a Charger. So you can tell he leans more towards American muscle, but he was in love with the R35. But he's currently in a 5.0 Mustang, and it's a manual, so I'm super excited. And we're gonna compare it with my brother's 2010 GT, which is that automatic. So I believe, and I'm sorry bro, I love you Qais, but I think Nawaf's 5.0 is gonna destroy yours. We're so excited, and he's even more excited than I am. and he's gonna tell us about his future projects and so on and so forth. That's it for now. I'm gonna go pick up some coffee and I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Peace and love. Zawawi out. All right, CrewZ Nation, picked up my delicious latte. All right, so now let's head to Brahim's place and see what happens. Peace. And we have successfully reached our destination. Peace out, CrewZ Nation. Zawawi out.